So that's why I think we're going to be sticking around for a minute, right? If we can stick around for another 20 years, we'll be able to extend our life through medical advances and between AI, quantum computing, and like I think we'll be all right for another 50 years plus. Like,
And you know what? I was watching the Ant-Man and the Wasp, like the last one that's on Disney Plus now. I don't know if you saw it, but a
mm-mm.
lot of that stuff that was in that movie, a lot of the weapons, a lot of the aircraft, the buildings were mechanical. That's the best way my mind can like
Okay,
describe it to you because I don't know what the correct term was. So
I got you.
this guy was this guy was flying like the plane. Michael J.
Okay.
Fox. Is that Michael J. Fox?
Mhm.
Is is that
I was like the guy with the shakes.
that's not Michael J. Fox? Oh my god, what man, I can't remember his name, but he was Hank. Hank was flying the plane with arms,
Okay.
right? So,
Okay.
and now the first thing I thought about was like, okay, like the VR mode in you know, where these guys were flying drones with VR headset, well,
Mhm.
yeah, the Oculus looking thing on. Is
Yep.
and this was like the first time I saw it was like what 2016 maybe? I don't know, but I
Okay.
maybe around that time when I was like researching some drones or whatever, and I saw these guys flying these drones, man, with the VR on. Is that is that
This
your
is like 2016.
Oh, okay. Exactly.
Yeah, so this is actually so I think this was manufactured in either 2016, 2017. So this is the Fat Sharks. This is the old analog technology that we used to use.
Right.
But yeah, just so basically whatever the drone sees is what you see. So you're the bird, you get to fly everything, but you're just using your fingers.
I saw
Is
that.
how that works with the FPV drones and like
But that comes as a
different sizes.
it comes as a kit though, right? Like, you have to put that together on the drone?
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, all the solder points, all the like everything, the programming, the like different transmitters need different stuff. So yeah, it's fairly technical, and I think that was the biggest entry to barrier in the past was that steep learning curve on the technical side. Um, and so I worked with a company called Newbie Drone after, well, so I did my own company, got basically recruited into Newbie Drone, and then so I've been working with Newbie Drone. I think I worked with them for forget how many years, but I've been gone now for 2, 3 years.
Okay.
But I helped them develop and then like
Whoa, whoa,
improve little
whoa,
drones like this.
whoa. Hold up. Start from the beginning. I didn't wanna go there yet, but what I think my point I was trying to make was, like, in the future, in the next probably 5 years or maybe 10 years, we're gonna be putting on glasses, like regular cool glasses, and just, like, flying the drone with our eyes like, crazy like this right here, right? You know? But how did you
Yeah.
get
It'll
into
probably be simpler than that. It'll be the that Neuralink that
Neuralink?
Elon's working, right? Like that, something like that, where it just reads the sensors, where it's just you don't even have to have the physical whatever. It's just it reads the electrical signals going on in your brain, and then it'll almost probably be like learning how to like walk again or something weird. Like I can't wait. Personally, I'm excited. I know other people are like terrified of it, bro. I can't wait.
I'm
I'm
kinda
super
in
excited.
between. I'm, like, kinda scared and happy like, excited about it because, like, who has control? Like, is it a like, is it a open like is it a one-way thing, or is it a two-way thing, or is it a
Right?
three-way thing? Can you be hacked or something like that, you know?
Right. Just a hard switch.